Hey y'all, good morning, first of all. So I wake up this morning and I heard something and I thought I should jump on here and talk. But before I get into that, let me welcome everybody. So my name is Cassandra, aka Liquid Spice in Real Life. Liquid Spice in Real Life because I'm going to give you my life as I get it. And this is one of these moments. So I looked and I saw that I had 196 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Reaching for 200. Once you reach 200, I may have a little surprise for one of my followers. Maybe. I don't know how you would feel about this giveaway. I'm not sure. But if, you don't want it, then that's fine. I hope someone will want it. But anyway, let's not get into that. So I woke up this morning and I saw April 5th. Yeah, I saw April 5th. I said, oh, what we doing now? What we doing now? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm just enjoying this. I'm so enjoying this. I had a t-shirt made up, right? About a week ago. By my niece. She makes t-shirts. And I said, wow. No better time than to pull out this t-shirt and wear it all over my city. Here it is. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Stand down, my people, and focus on us. Hashtag FAFO. That's what it says. If you're interested in this t-shirt, comment down below. You won't get it by April 5th, but you will get it, and the slogan will still be, in effect. But look at this. I just want to say to my black people, I love you. I love you because we are standing together, and that was a big thing in the past, that we did not have any unity. And I love you guys. I'm not saying you guys. Oh my God, I love us. Let's scratch everything I just said about not everything, but let me rephrase how I say I love you. I love us. I love us. I love us. We have stuck together with the Target thing, the Amazon thing. What was it? What's the other one? Was it Walmart? Well, I don't have Walmart near me, so that's fine. And everything else, Nestle and all of that stuff like that. We did it. We did it, and we made a stand, and it took effect. It really did. Making them realize that we mean business. And I'm sorry if you hear bells, that's Raven, my new baby. And the lines, if you see lines, I'm sorry about that. That's my light. I didn't pull out my ring light. I have this little light, this little square light that I have on top of the tripod. But I just want to come on here for a little while, and I just want to show you all my shirt. I hope it's in focus. I hope it's in frame, because I wanted the words to you to look correct instead of backwards. So I had to turn the phone around, which I can't see myself if I'm in frame or not. I hope I am. But if I'm not in frame, I will absolutely redo this video. But yeah, here's my shirt. Stand down, my people, and focus on us. April 5th. April 5th. I hope y'all see it. Y'all see it? I hope y'all see it. I hope y'all see it. And in the back, Let me see. In the back. Can you see the back? Can you see it has my name there? I hope you can see it. I hope so. Yeah. I didn't even make up my bed. I didn't even take a shower. I didn't even brush my teeth yet. So yeah, I'm coming to you extremely raw. Extremely raw. But this is my shirt, and I will proudly wear it on April 5th. I will proudly wear it. They say black people stay home. I'm going to be out there, not protesting, but I'm going to be wearing my shirt. I'm going to be wearing my shirt because this is what we should do. We had to come to this point to make sure that they knew we were serious. And I love it. I love it. I love our unity. Let's keep it going, please. Let's keep it going, okay? Let's keep it going. And, you know, those of the other races that are down with us as well, same thing, you know, because I put my black people first because the unity we did not have in the past for many, many, many years. I put our people first because I am a black woman, okay? Yes, and these are my people. These are my people. These are my people, okay? My people. And I'm so proud of us. So proud. I can't even express how proud I am of us. So, keep it up. Keep it going. I hope I wasn't too close when I was like this, but however, you get it, okay? You get it. I'm so proud of us. So, comment if you want one of these shirts. Like, subscribe. I'm reaching for 200 subscribers, 4 more. And then once we get that 4 more subscribers to make it 200, I'm reaching for 250. So come on, guys. I'm trying to be consistent with my videos, but you already know it. You already know. I don't want to keep saying it, but yes, this is my shirt. This is my shirt. This is my shirt. I hope you can see it. This is my shirt. Okay? All right, y'all. Have a great one. And I think I'm going to come back here. I have another DHgate little mini haul. So watch my last video, DHgate haul number 1. I'm going to come with number 2 and at number 3. And I have some news about luxury brands. And what I said in that video about luxury brands and China, please go back and watch that video because I called it. I called it. And when I saw 2 people in the past week that confirmed that this is what these brands do, I said, look, I told my people. I told them. So yeah, here we go. Stand down, my people, and focus on us. FAFO. All right. Have a good one. Stay safe, guys. Hey, I looked back at the video. This is the shirt. I think I had to come up a little bit higher. This is the shirt. This is the shirt. Right here. This is the shirt. I hope you guys see it. This is the shirt here. Okay? Thanks.